Son Yang today. What is exciting happening in the Hmong community?
Today, we are going to march down to City Hall and accept our proclamation to recognize the Hmong community as December as being Hmong Community or Hmong Heritage Month. But we are not going to stop here. This is the basis and the foundation for a larger, more widely recognized. Our next step is to try to get this Hmong Heritage proclamation to be recognized at a state level and then finally at a national level. And with everybody's help in the United States and our community and all of the community in the U.S., the Hmong community coming together, I think we can make this happen.
Mong tua lo, nó là rong xe nó là giờ nó có lên đồn nó có chi nè.
Giờ nó bé một giải bé lại tới sang City Hall, lu cái mong giờ mong tìm mong tu.
คุณนกใช่ไหมคุณนกใช่ไหมตัวน้อยตัวประธานสิ่งมองอย่างย่อเสียงเงินนั่นนู่นในวันจันทร์ที่4ตัวเลยเนาะอย่างมองชิ้นสุดๆเนี่ยมองเป็นมองโลก community
โอ้นู่นไหนอย่างเงี้ยอินนู่นลงเช็ดจับเขาไปอย่างมองย่อเสียงเงินนะไปเลยย่อที่เชียงใหม่กันนะต้องเล่าเจ้าเชียงนะแต่สิ่งนั้นแหละเป็นจริงมองนู่นเฉยๆมีแต่ไปจากที่เฉลยตัวน่ะไปอย่างมูงาไปแดนโตเลยแดนเตยเนี่ยต่อเอาสินี่ฮอมีให้เดี๋ยวผู้มั่วเกจจอคลุบเราไปจอที่มุ่งเฉลยไปโตแดนเตยให้เดี๋ยวลูกเกาะเลยนะอย่าเป็นเดี๋ยวตู้เดี๋ยวไปเฉลยลงเชียงนู่นน่ะไปเฉลยเตาเที่ยวเตาต้นน่ะเนาะยังบ้าลูกเชียให้เดี๋ยวยังมุ่งงาไปแดนเตยนั่นน่ะยังอีกขอเกจลงเชียชับเลยตรงนู่นน่ะเลย
Oh, what is exciting happening in the Hmong community?
Okay, so today we're going to a town hall meeting and we're going to receive a certificate explaining that this month is officially Hmong Heritage Month in San Diego. So that's very exciting for us.
What does that mean to you?
It means that we're being recognized here in San Diego and we're being able to expose our culture to everyone else in the community. So it's really exciting because not a lot of people know about us. Thank you.
เนี่ยประธานนู่นในตัวเป็นแหล่งนอยมาชิเนี่ยเป็นห้องรู้อะไรรู้จักเนาะ
นู่นย่ออีนู่จะไปจอมสุกี้จงชาอีชงโลตาชงชาตัวเลยอีชงกอลูลีนู่นไปสานอย่าเป็นนู่นอย่าไปสุกี้จงชาอย่าเป็นนี่
Do you know what's happening here in the Hmong community today?
The Hmong people are receiving a proclamation today.
For the good, thank you. What is happening today?
We are receiving a great honor dedicating this December as the Hmong Heritage Month. I'm extremely proud of our Hmong community in San Diego. We're coming this far and I look forward to having our community improve and grow further.
Thank you. นู่นกันหามองที่4ตัวอย่ามาชิเนี่ยเป็นห้องโลก community
โอ้ตรงแชร์นักกันนะนู่นอย่าอินุชิเซงจะเป็นมองเสียดีกงอย่าปล่อยเจ้าชงเลยเป็นมองเธอนู่นคือยัดจะสาวถึงแคลิฟอร์เนียเลยเซนดิงก็ต้องใจแต่งแล้วใจแต่นู่นอย่าเป็นมองเป็นชัวเป็นมองแต่ตัวอย่ามองลุลีเป็นหนังเขาหลุมมองอย่าเฉยๆแต่เป็นมองอย่ามองใจเป็นแต่งแต่เชิงกันแต่เป็นอย่ามอง
ลงประธานกันเลยนู่นก็สัตย์มาชิเนี่ยเป็นห้องโลก community
โอ้เขาจริงๆนู่นอย่าอินุจริงๆเนี่ยจะยงชับเลยเป็นตัวย้อนโดยที่จะมีการเราจะชมย้อนสันเดียงกันนะนู่นอย่าอินุจริงๆชับเลยย้อนหน่อยจะจื้อแต่กูอย่าเดี๋ยวมื่อขอเกี่ยงเสียเดี๋ยวไปจับน้องเราอย่าไปต้องใจได้ต้องเต๋อย้อนโดนด่าจีโดนเท่าด่าแท้เนาะเดี๋ยวนู่นอย่าไปตัวเราจะอย่าไปเต้นหนามงเดี๋ยวอย่าต้องเด็ดตัวเตี้ยชงเรานั้นนะ
แล้วเรากันย้ายตัวเราเนี่ยเป็นห้องโลก community ก็สัตย์นู่นไปต่อสายได้จีเนี่ยเลยก็สัตย์สิ
ถ้าเก็บไปต่อสายแดนต่อขอเธอไปชัวตอนไหนไปมองเดียดตัวไปตัวตอนไหนเนี่ยต่อเชียวnó cũng giờ ít xiong rồng nghe rồng xiong thế cái cua tàu mỗi đàn đợi vô một tại của mong điện tù mà thấy cua rồng xía cái ba xía tua là mà thấy một tại cái đàn
một xe cho tôi nên luôn tới
Ô, tụi mình lên thế.
Say hi to the camera. Hello.
I think through that door, right?
Hôm nay anh Hmoob sẽ sắp rồi đó. Bây giờ ngập bên này tới Hmong rồi đó. Cho nên mà luôn thị ra.
He has metal leg.
Just wanted to extend a gratitude to all the members of the Hmong community for their contributions to really what makes San Diego a great place to live. And we just want to say thank you for everything that you do and wish you all a happy Hmong New Year.
Thank you. Thank you for the pen. Represent the city of San Diego.
And for the mayor, let me...
What? Yeah, có một dây mua.
叫做你叫小弟兄是，你去了叫你陪一下的，要被多背的嘛，到时候都背的。
We'll begin with the Pledge of Allegiance led by Councilmember Cruz.
United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, council members, and as we're it's a time to celebrate rich cultures, rich traditions, and of course, heritage. And so I'm very proud as mayor and as I know as council members that this has become one of the largest Hmong New Year celebrations in the state, attracting people from all over California and indeed all over the country. So I want to thank everyone here, the Lao Hmong Family Association, from everyone for putting on this great event year after year. We're looking forward to it. We celebrate that, and I'm happy to turn it over now to Council President. Or Mr. King. Thank you, Councilor King.
Thank you, Mayor Faulkner. Thank you, Council President Pro Tem Emerald, for your work on this, and absolutely everyone in the Hmong community. I'm very happy to join everyone here to proclaim December as Hmong Heritage Month. And the Asian Pacific Islander American community in San Diego is extremely diverse. And the Hmong community contributes to the vibrancy and diversity within our city, and I'm delighted to represent so many members of the community in District 6. I also want to thank you for inviting me to be part of your community, including welcoming my office to your community forum held at the SCPD Multicultural Storefront back in October. And I really look forward to celebrating the New Year Festival this coming Saturday at Kearny Mesa Park, which everyone here and within our community and across the city are invited to. It's going to be a great festival. And I also want to say a special thank you to Sergeant Paul Yang. And the work that he does with the Multicultural Storefront is extremely vital and important for everyone within our community. He's been a great spokesperson and an advocate for the Hmong community, and I know that we are all incredibly grateful for all of his work that he does on a daily basis. And so I want to thank him for that, and thank everyone here for all of your contributions to our great city. And now I turn over to Council President Pro Tem Emerald.
Thank you so very much. And 40 years ago, that was your story. You fought alongside U.S. troops to try to keep your homeland and end war. And then you wound up coming here because you needed to be safe and you wanted to create a better life. And in the process, you've created a richer life for all of us. You've embraced being Americans. You have shared with us so that we can be more sensitive and appreciate your many years of culture and everything you bring to us. So it is right for us to declare this to be Hmong Heritage Month in the city of San Diego. Be it proclaimed by the Council of the City of San Diego that this council and our mayor, for and on behalf of the people of San Diego, does hereby declare December 2015 to be Hmong Heritage Month in the city of San Diego. Thank you for everything you bring to this community, the way you enrich it, all of our lives, and we look forward to many years ahead of peace and prosperity and sharing all of our valuable cultures. So thank you very much.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mayor Faulkner, and Honorable Council of America's finest city. Thank you for allowing the Hmong community to have a voice today. Additionally, I wanted to thank the Lao Hmong Family Association President, Mr. Tswv Yang, behind me, and his staff for allowing me to speak on behalf of the Hmong community here in San Diego. This occasion is ineffable. It is with great honor, pride, and privilege to be here today. I will try to summarize and share with you some of the reasons why this day is so very important to the Hmong community, and particularly to me. You see, Hmong people for too long have been in the shadows of many Asians, many ethnic groups. For too long, we have not been fully identified as Hmong people. Very little is known about our culture, tradition, and heritage. We are simply cast off as Asians. Yes, Hmong are indigenous people with no country of their own or identity. And so we are often referred to as mountain people because that's where we came from. Although repugnant, the questions such as, what is Hmong, where is it, or who is it, are all too common. For the Hmong people, there are far more questions than answers. Now is the time to elucidate and promulgate Hmong people and our heritage. Council President Pro Tem Marty Emerald and Councilman Chris Kay, your willingness to step out onto the ledge, lead the way, display great courage and visionary leadership. As President Theodore Roosevelt said in his inauguration, where there is no vision, the people perish. Today, we shall not perish, but flourish. This proclamation of independence to promulgate Hmong heritage is a step in the right direction. No matter how insignificant it may seem to the general public, I assure you, Honorable Council, this is a milestone in the history of the Hmong people, here in San Diego and across the United States. On this 40th anniversary, let us stand united in this hall and in the presence of great council and break down this bulwark so that we may recognize the vibrant culture, tradition, heritage of the Hmong people living right here in the city of San Diego. In America's finest city, let us unite with one heart as we accept this proclamation as our promissory note and immerse Hmong heritage into the American culture. Together, through this proclamation, we hope to answer the questions of insularity. Through this proclamation, we will no longer be in the shadows of others. More importantly, we will be identifiable as Hmong American. Honorable Council, today we make history. Today, the Hmong community of San Diego has come to City Hall to accept a promissory note. A note worth more than any amount of monetary funds. It is a reminder, a guarantee, that we as Hmong Americans are entitled to unalienable rights of liberty, life, and the pursuit of happiness. And it starts with proclaiming December as Hmong Heritage Month. Today we make history together. Nowhere in the United States of America have the Hmong people received a recognition of this magnitude. Today we make history together. We are lifted from the desolate valley of the shadows into the light. Thank you, Honorable Council. Today, we no longer are strangers among the massive sea of humanity. Honorable Council, today we stand before you, proud to be Hmong, but mostly proud to be Hmong American. And that is what it means to receive this proclamation. Thank you. On behalf of the Hmong community, we actually prepared a frame that depicts hand-stitched artwork that signifies the culture, the tradition, the heritage, and the Hmong way of life. So I'll reveal this and present it to the city and the city council.
Congratulations.
Have a good day. You too. Ready?
We'll take the next load.
Yes.
Hey, Alan. 1, 2, Ellen, I take a lot. Okay, Sacha, anybody else want to take Got it?
Okay, got you.
Oh. Smile. There you go. Got it?
Thank you. Ta xin pe một lọ là các sale cha sư, có trong thế.
Ta xin mà giờ bây giờ mà cái chọn chỉ một luôn thì chỉ mấy tụ khởi khởi do luôn thì số lên số tụ thế nào số lên số tụ mà trong sẽ chấp là nung này nung special day số lên số tụ chạy tụ lo tụ yao tụ nhiệt tụ gì là trong sẽ tan trôi nè mà bên một ngà tàu bên đèn tới là bây giờ chẳng ăn một vài một chế bên chế một salon tỏ bắt thành sự bỏ chế thế nào tỏ đây là một đó họ để nung này nung trong sẽ chấp lời ta là bên giờ nhau in nung thả về họ đều chờ bên gì khó để cho cái bên trong xe nung này giờ sao bên đèn tới bên để xử lý một bên à cho
She bought the